Hey everyone, this is Dan Annis with Project 3, MDF3. Um, Basically, what I did for my app is I took my current weather app that not current, but my weather app that I did in Java 2 and added an action bar and a widget. I'm just going to kind of go through the app first, talk about some of the struggles, and just go through some of the code. So first off, the app, all it does is you pull a zip code, do a search, it gives you a list view of the weather. If you click on this gives you more information. If you click on 5 days, it'll give you 5 days worth of temperature data, and then if you click 10 days, it will also give you 10 days worth of data. So this was my app originally. If you click on next, it would give you the current day's full details of what's expected. So this was pretty much my basic app. Before this, I did not have the action bar, which is on top here. So if I click the I button, that will take me to a info screen, and so this kind of just says, hey, this application fetches the data, takes the zip code, yada yada yada, that kind of thing. If you hit refresh, it doesn't really do anything on this screen. It's the main action for the actual home. So if we go back home, this will take you back to the home screen. And if we enter another zip code, and we hit this refresh, we will actually get the zip code. So it's this same thing as the search icon here. We do 5 days, we refresh, we only get 1 day, but the main thing is to search. So that's the app. The other thing is the widget, which is actually already running, but all it does is gives me the details for the weather. And I did have a red background on here, but every time I put a red background in this widget, I kept getting a GitHub error. And this GitHub error, I have no idea what's going on. I've tried this 3-4 times. I've deleted my app, put it back, and every time I add a background, I was just using a red JPEG file, basically. I keep getting an original master by one commit. I'm not sure what's going on. Like all this code. Let me close this out. All this code for my well, this is just referencing the other apps that are in my Eclipse project, and it indicates that I've done new things, but there's this little guy pending here. I can move him up here. If I try to do a new commit, it commits, sort of puts that data down there, but none of this is checked now. And if I go and check it all to commit, trying to get things to commit, and I hit commit, and I get an error again. I tried to Google this error, and it tells you to revert back. Tried that, it didn't work. I continue to get errors. So Donna, I did send you a zip file of when I started adding my XMLs and trying to get time back on my side. I had to stop researching the GitHub stuff and make the app. So I'll send you another zip file of my final completed project, as I'm showing on the video here, with the widget code in there. So let's see, did I nail most of the questions? I think everything was pretty, I don't want to say self-explanatory, but I was able to get these things working fairly smoothly. Did run into a few problems. I had a few spelling errors, and took me a while to find where I misspelled widget. I was missing the W, so that kind of gave me a little fits. And then I was trying to get the widget to be able to update, and I don't think it's updating, at least the way I have it um, programmed. I thought that I would be able to change the day depending on the data that is pulled from the app, but that didn't work. So, but that's not clarification. That was just me trying to figure something out. Lastly, how you started thinking about your project? Absolutely not. Um, Way too involved with trying to get things worked out with um, just this class's current week, as well as some other side things that I've been trying to work on. So, side things meaning school stuff. But anyway, I guess that's my app, and that's my short 2 to 4 minute video at 6 minutes and 12. Other than that, I'll let everybody go. Thanks, guys.